So everyone, I got something I know will be used for everyone. So I have a 2012 Jeep Wrangler JK, and I just replaced the harmonic balancer. Now, if you go to AutoZone or Rallies, even online, the replacement one, OE direct fit, they're saying is Dorman. Well, it's not direct fit. So let me explain. Model number 594 405, as you can see, the new harmonic balancer for the Jeep JK, and it's broken right here, so I'll explain, is not a direct fit. So if you look at the inside of this, you see the cavity. Come to find out, it's a ½ inch smaller. Okay, this is an OEM direct fit. If you can tell the difference between that, let me hold them up together. If you can tell the difference. So this is Dorman. This is Chrysler's OEM. So last night we pulled off the old one, pulled a gasket, put a new gasket, put on the new one. Everything was fine. Go to put the belt on, it's too loose. Okay, something's going on. So we figured maybe it was a defect one. Got it off, did some shopping, O'Reilly's, AutoZone's, back to that. Nope, this is what they're giving for the replacement. It doesn't work, it doesn't fit. Okay. So I had to go back to the Chrysler dealer. It's the new one's back on, exact same one, exact same fit. So yes, the Chrysler one I spent $180, was direct fit. It's direct replacement. Dorman, $58.99. AutoZone, O'Reilly's. It doesn't work. It's not a direct fit. Now I know a lot of people say, well, get a smaller belt. We don't want to do that because you could cause problems on the other pulleys by, basically you can damage other components. So use that as a note. It is broken because we had to use a pry bar to get it off because we replaced the oil gasket. But hopefully that helps out with someone. I'm very upset, angry about this, and hopefully you don't run into the same thing.